Hey, what's good, guys? Poli Popo here. I'm going to show you how to take the Akai Force from power off to power on and make a scene appear. Copy them in different times and meaning bar lengths. And then, yeah, that's all I'm going to cover today. And it's going to be pretty cool, man. I love this box. I've had a lot of fun with it. And yeah, I'm going to get my face off of here and we'll get started. So I have an empty project. I'm going to go here. Got the cameras all set up. Kind of crazy, but I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. If you know me on the MPC, you know, I like to use maybe 2 drum kits. And then here, I'm going to hit advanced and hit drum, plugin. And I don't know how many sounds I'm going to use. You know what I'm saying? You know how I am with the sound, so I might just mute some out. I might use some. I might not. But I'm just going to add 6 and do it. There's no sounds on any of these. They're all stock. So I go to load. My instruments for this one's going to be bass line. And let's see. If I go down here, track 2. I know that's a drum kit. Sorry. So I'm just going to load this. Track 3. I'm going to load this drum kit. Track 4, I know it's a synth. So I'm going to put electric. I'm going to load that. I'm going to use electric again for that track. Use that sound. And then for this track, I'm going to use hype. I use that. For 7, I'll use hype. I'm going to use this. For 8, I'm going to use hype. And there's a lot of it. Hit there. And let's see, what else can I go to? I got 2 more here. So for this track, I'm going to go back to instruments and hit electric. I said something piano. That's cool. I like piano. And then for 7, we're going to go to instruments and go to bass line. So now I got all these sounds loaded up and everything like that. You can save this as a template or whatever if you like to. But like I said, on this one, we're just going to go straight through and just find this notes mode right here and then go back up to my matrix. If I hit shift and length, it'll show me the length of the sequence that I'm going to be doing. Right here. So I got them all set for 8 bars. That's pretty much, that's where I want my stuff. So I'm going to turn this up here. And I like to use a MIDI keyboard. I haven't hooked up the USB keyboard to this yet, but here we go. Right into the back. I'll tell you right off the bat, well, I'll save that for another video. I was going to tell you about the load time and everything compared to the X, but let's see what this thing's got. Let's go ahead and hit. This track's armed. It's getting ready to record or whatnot. Let's go. So far, so good. Gonna go to plugin 7. We don't know what it sounds like. We're just gonna hit it. Gonna turn that down immediately. Go to my mixer. gonna go to plugin 6, go back up to my matrix. Let's see what it sounds like. And if you don't like the sound, you just go back to load and change it on that track. Maybe we can use this. Why does it sound the same? Let's go back to your matrix. I'm still kind of learning this here, guys. So. Let's go to menu and track edit. Change this sound here. That's what we're going to record. Go to this one. Next track. Next track. We got 3 more. Let's go here. Oh, okay. Drums. Sorry you guys can't see what's going on here. That's all I'm gonna do there. Plug in 1. Cool. So that was the hardest part. Now check this out. We're going to do, yeah, you know, it takes me a little longer to do this, but the more and more I do it, the better I'm going to get at it. So here we go. go to launch mode, and then we're going to hit copy and this. We like that, so we're going to add this to these clips. Same with this. Instead of stretching out sequences on the MPCX, I'm naming my sequences like this. See, so now I have the same thing, but the MPCX, I can draw my sequences out in a line. This here, I have to draw them up and down, which is dope, because now I can launch them individually. Like, here's my first one. Second one. Go to the third one. So if you want this as your intro or whatever, you could do that. Or if you need to recall something, this is really, really a good tool to recall what you need to do. Like, say if this was... And you can juggle through them. Or you can go ahead and hit each individual clip. Say you want that clip right there. Instead of 8 bars, you want it 4 bars. Watch. Okay, cool. I go back to clip and say you want this one. I want all these top ones to be 8 bars. I want all these bottom ones to be 4 bars. So you can go all the way through there like that. So you can really make your music. So watch, we'll do this one. Personally, I like to juggle through them like that. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you for watching, and I'm gonna keep them coming, man. Again, this is just how to break down your first sequence into different ones.